everyone! In this video, I will show you how to fade a background image in PowerPoint. First, open PowerPoint and open your presentation. Then right-click on the background and click on Format Background. Here you can choose the fill of your background. You can choose a solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture fill, or pattern fill. I will go ahead and select picture fill. Here, you can insert a picture from your files, or you can insert an online picture. I'll just click on online and insert an online picture. Here you can search for an image, or you can select an image from the provided or the recommended images. Here you can uncheck the Creative Commons only and choose your background image. I will select this one, for example. Then click Insert. Wait a few seconds. Here you can change the offsets, and then right-click on the slide and click on Duplicate Slide. Now click on the second slide and set the transparency to 100%. Now go to Transitions and select Morph, then click on Apply to All to apply the morph transition to all slides. And here you can change the duration of the morph transition. Let's make it 3 seconds, for example. Then click on Apply to All again. Now go to Slideshow and click from Beginning. And that's it. Now you know how to fade a background image in PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!